everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and you guessed it, today we're going to teach you how to decorate barber capes with the DigitalHeat FX system. So barber capes are made with nylon. So these instructions will also apply to items like raincoats, swim trunks, safety construction shirts, and other nylon garments. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are the products we're going to use to press a white toner transfer onto our nylon barber cape. We have our barber cape here. We have our transfers. Now these transfers have already been married. What that means is that we've already applied the polymer from the B sheet onto the toner on our A sheet. So these are ready to go. They don't have to be weeded or anything. Then we have our regular finishing sheet here, but we also have our flexible finishing sheet. This is going to help us with getting indirect heat so that we're not scorching the nylon. So we've given our barber cape a little bit of a pre-press to release the wrinkles, but any time that you put nylon under your heat press, you're going to want to use the flexible finishing sheet to make sure that you don't burn it. So we have our transfer laid on our barber cape now. We're then going to use our regular finishing sheet on top of that. Then we're going to also apply our flexible finishing sheet on top of that. This is going to help with the indirect heat, and it's also going to give us more of that matte finish. We're then going to put it under the heat press at 215 degrees for about 30 seconds. I'm then going to go ahead and let this cool completely before I rip my transfer off. Now that it's cooled down, I'm going to rip my transfer off by kind of tugging at it like that. Then we're going to send it under our heat press one more time for our finishing press. Now for our finishing press, we're still at 215 degrees. We're only going to send it under for about 15 seconds this time. But I am going to use my regular finishing sheet and my flexible finishing sheet, just like I did during the first press. All right, this custom barber cape is now complete. So now you're ready to start offering nylon products to your customers. So if you want to learn more about any of the products used in this video, go ahead and visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros.